Hello everyone, welcome to I'm a Cooker channel. Today we are going to make a refreshing cold ginger mint lemonade. As you all know, summer is near and it's very cool and refreshing drink, and I've added the ingredients in the description box. Now let's get started. To start the drink, I'm going to use 3 limes, 1-inch piece of ginger, few mint leaves. If you don't have mint leaves, you can always opt for mint extract. Just use 1 small teaspoon of mint extract. I'm going to take the ginger into a mortar and then few leaves of mint, and we are going to mash it with a pestle. After mashing it up, you're going to take it, put it into 4 cups of water and give it a mix. Now we are going to squeeze the lime into the juice. Now we are going to add a pinch of salt and then honey, or you can use any sugar or sugar substitute. Mix everything together. Now your delicious, refreshing ginger mint lemonade is ready. Let's strain it into a jar of ice. Now let's try the refreshing ginger mint lemonade. That's so refreshing, and especially it cools down your body too. And if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.